In this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to use the TonKeeper wallet. So we're going to open the TonKeeper app. And here we have the TonKeeper wallet, as we can see in the main dashboard. So we're going to be talking about how to navigate through your TonKeeper wallet, how to use it, and some features that you can make use of. So here in the main dashboard, you can see the coins that you have here. You have the Ton coin and your USDT. And after setting up your wallet, you can have the other finishing up settings, such as enabling transactions to join the TonKeeper channel on Telegram. And then at the top here, you can see the main wallet. Now, the main wallet simply shows you that you can keep adding a number of wallets for your TonKeeper app. Now, in this TonKeeper app, I have two wallets, the main wallet and the wallet 2. And you also notice that in the main dashboard, you can easily click on send, receive, scan, swap, buy and sell, and stake. So if you click on send, you're going to be simply putting in the alphanumeric address that you have from another wallet or another exchange, or you could tap on the scanner app here where you can scan the QR code you may find for your recipient. And then you're going to put the comment. And back on the dashboard, you also have receive. When you click on receive, this means you want to receive Toncoin into your TonKeeper wallet. So you're going to either send the QR code or you can have it scanned by another person. And of course, the other option is to copy the alphanumeric address. And this is going to send Toncoin into your TonKeeper wallet. And of course, you want to remember to use the Ton network. So as you can see, it says send only Toncoin Ton and tokens in Ton network to this address, or you might lose your funds. So this is very important to take note of so you don't lose your funds. And then of course, you could decide to swap. And here in swap, you could decide to send your Ton, if you have any, into another token. So you can see you could send it to USDT and other tokens that are available. There is also the search feature here, which you can use to make it easier for you. And then, of course, you could enter the amount when you're ready to do that. Now, when we look at the bottom of this page, you're going to see history. Now, history is basically the history of all your transactions. So you're going to find everything here. And of course, from here, you could easily navigate to buy Toncoin or receive, so you can actually have your first transactions among the first to come. So you can see you could easily go ahead and buy Toncoin here or receive Toncoin, so you can have your first transaction. And when we click on browse, still at the bottom of this page, you can see other options here. For example, at the top, you could explore here and you could also see what you're also connected to. But when we tap on explore, you can see some options by sliding through. For example, APY up to 4.6%. Now, of course, you could decide to leave your Toncoin in this deposit to have a 4.6% interest in your Toncoin wallet. And the other option here is the digital nomads. As you can see, for example, you can have the option to use the Ton VPN. You could also see the latest model of AI with ChatGPT 4 with Ton GPT. And of course, if you want to see more, you can simply click on all. And you also have exchanges, and you also have DeFi, and you have NFTs and utilities and fun. So you can see the Ton wallet isn't just only about sending and receiving tokens. You can do a lot more. You can play games and see what more profitable activities you can actually participate in. So when we tap back on the wallet here to bring us back to the main dashboard, I'm going to look at the top right corner where you have the settings icon. It looks like a gear. And then you could also decide to customize your main wallet. So the first option here is to customize the wallet. You could tap on it. You could actually change the name of the wallet. You could say main wallet, anything you want to. So you could leave it this way. And then you could also choose the color of this wallet. And you could also put an emoji on this wallet like so. So we could have something cool or put anything that we want. And we can click on save. And now you can see that we've just customized our main wallet. There is also the backup option, which is very important to have your backup of your wallet. You could also have some options for notifications, the currency you'd like to see in. And then you have security. You could change the theme from dark to blue to light and to your system. You could also change the language if you'd like to, and you could go to the address update to have some differences there. So if you want to have a new update, you can have the new update here and decide to change. And here you also have the frequently asked questions, the FAQs, and you have the support, TonKeeper news, contact us, rate TonKeeper, delete account, and to sign out. So here in the settings, there are a lot of information that you can process and other customizations that you can go into. So as you can see, there is a lot to do here on the TonKeeper wallet. Go ahead and give it a try and see what more you can do to make your TonKeeper more flexible for you. So this is how to use TonKeeper wallet.